Mastering the fast break in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English learning series, where we break down interesting phrases to help you become fluent and confident in English. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's a slam dunk in both everyday English and sports lingo: fast break. So grab your notebooks, and let's sprint through the fascinating world of this phrase. When you hear fast break, the first thing that might come to mind is basketball. In sports, a fast break is a strategy where a team moves quickly down the court in an attempt to score before the opposing team can set up their defense. It's a rush, a dash to the basket, emphasizing speed and efficiency. The key here is speed and opportunity. Players seize the moment to score during a transition from defense to offense. But life's not all about sports, right? Fast break has dribbled its way into everyday language too. It describes any swift action or movement in response to an opportunity. For instance, if someone quickly leaves a meeting as soon as it ends to avoid traffic, they're making a fast break for the door. Let's put our phrase into play with some examples. After the meeting ended, John made a fast break for the elevator to get ahead of the crowd. The sales team is ready for a fast break as soon as the new product launches. These sentences show that a fast break can be strategic and opportunistic, much like the move in basketball. The popularity of the phrase, fast break, also reflects the cultural impact of sports on language. Phrases like these score points for being expressive and dynamic, conveying a sense of urgency and momentum that's easily understood, whether you're a sports fan or not. And that's the buzzer. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, fast break, and can use it to add some dynamic flair to your English conversations. Whether on the court or in daily life, a fast break can be your strategy for success. Stay tuned for more English language tips, and don't forget to practice, because in language learning, every day is game day. Catch you on the next fast break.